Hello everybody. Today I've been asked how to create a group with different types. In other words, what's the differences between open, private, and restricted groups. And I'll even throw in how to create a group because I do realize that there are people here that have never used Move Social before and might need a little direction on how to manage the site. So let's get right into it. I've already created 3 groups: a public group, a private group, and a restricted group. So let's get right into it. I'm going to click on to this. Now I am, as an admin, I'm a member of all 3 groups. So I'm going to go ahead and write something. So here we are. The post was just made. Now because I'm a member of that group, I'm going to click home. And there is the post right there. So let's get back into groups. I'm going to go into the private group. Now, the private group is great if you're an admin and you have another admin or admins under you and you want to create a group that no one can see. Now, the thing is, once you join these groups, all these posts will show up on the What's New page there, on the main page, on the home page. But there is a little bit of a catch here. Let me get right into it and I'll show you that. Go ahead. All right, go ahead. We're going to share that post. There it is right there. Click here. There it is. It shows up there. Let's get back in the groups. Now, the one catch here is when you invite somebody in, they have to be your friend on the site. If they're not your friend, in other words, you'd have to have an email for this person that is part of the site, and when they, log in, they'll be able to join the private group. But it's better off that if you have an admin, you're probably your friend, and this way you can join. That is the only catch on this one that I could see. Now let's go to the restricted group. Now the restricted group here means I can see everything that's going on if I click on the group itself. The only thing I can't do is, because if I didn't join the group, is reply to anything on the group. So let's go ahead. We'll get into the group and go. I'm going to click right here. There it is right there, because now remember, I am a member of all 3 groups and all 3 group types. So what we're going to do is we're going to get out of here, but before I get out of here, I'm going to shorten this movie a little bit. Right here, the private group, I'm going to send an invite to the test user who is my friend right now. So go ahead, I'm going to get back into the group. I'm going to go into the private group. Now you're going to see 3 dots, not these 3 dots on the message, these 3 dots up here. I'm going to go ahead and click, and I'm going to invite a friend. And I'm going to say, and there's his name. It pops up. You just got to go ahead and go click and send invitation. Now, an invitation has been sent to the test user. So let's get out of this. I'm going to go back to the home page, and I'm going to log off. Now I'm going to log in as the test user. Now, if you notice, none of the posts are showing up here because I haven't joined. The test user hasn't joined anything yet. However, I have a little thing here by the bell. I'm going to go ahead and click. Hey, look, I've been sent to join Private Test Group 2. So I'm just going to go ahead and join that group. Yep, and then it gives me the opportunity to go ahead and join. And there it is, all the posts. Now, if I go to home, there are the posts because I joined the group. I have now access to seeing whatever's going on in the private test group too. Now, notice the other 2 groups I haven't joined yet. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go to public test group 1 and look at this. Here's a join right here. I'm going to go ahead and join that group. And we have the message here. Hello world. Okay, let's get over here. And look at this. Hello world. Public test group 1. I'm a member of 2 groups right now. And if you go over here, my groups, I'm a member of 2 groups. That's what it's saying right here. Let's get back in. We have one more group type, and that's a restricted group. So let's click. You notice something strange. I can see the message, but I can't do anything with it because I have to join. So I can go click join, and look what pops up right here. Your request has been sent. So it's been sent to the admin of the site or the admin of the group. So let's go ahead. We'll get back on the home page. You don't see hello you. It's not here yet because you're not technically a member of that restricted group. So let's log out. I'm going to go ahead and log back in. No, this gets kind of monotonous. And here we go. As the admin, click here. Let's click on it. Someone wants to join. Hey! Now, one join request. Click. Okay, test user, accept. Now he's a member of the group. Go back here. You go like that, and let's log out just one more time. Log out. I'm going to log back in as test user. We're going to check that last site out. All right. Now if we go into group 3, the restricted group, look at this. Now I can see everything going on. I can hello you. I can make a comment to it. I can write something with inside the group. All right. That's basically it for the 3 open, private, and restricted types. Now, I did say I was going to help you create a group, so let's get back in. We're going to create a group. It's right on the up. Group name. Hello. Group category. Very important. If you don't pick anything, it will not allow you to make the group. So let's pick the default category, and you can say anything you want for the description here. Okay, here it is. Now again, group type is a little question mark. If you mouse over it, it does quickly give you a short synopsis of all 3 types. So let's leave it public. Now, if I want to drag a photo here, you're going to click here, and I'm going to use my little thing I found. Where is it? Where is it? You can never find something when you want it. Go ahead and click open. It uploaded it. We're going to hit save, and it's going to put a little icon or avatar right here. And there it is with the group. Now, up here is where you control the group. So if I go out to home and then go back to group, you'll see the group here, but there's nothing. Just click groups, and there's 3 little dots right up in the upper right hand corner where it says information. If you click there, it allows you to invite friends, and that's friends either with an email, but if they're friends of yours on the site, then you can say friends. You can edit the group. Let's go ahead and click on that, and there it is. You can change anything you want on that, and when you're done, you say save. Let's get back into it. You can delete the group, report the group, turn off notifications, or share the group. That's all there is really to it. And if this has helped you, I hope it has. And if you have any other questions, you can find me on Moose Social Community, and I'll try to answer it. Like always, if I can't answer it, I'll refer you to the Moose Social support team. Other than that, have a great day.